Hey, yo, morning. Welcome to our JijuHQ channel. Well, I'm just going to introduce today the grinders. Well, JijuHQ YouTube channel is probably to talk about all the headshot stuff. So we, as an headshot accessories, selling all smoking accessories. So now today, I'm just going to introduce the grinders as well. So what is grinders? Grinders is a tools to use to break all the ganjas, cannabis, in order to make things much more easier for you to, smoke all the hash. Well, and there are numbers of ways to grind cannabis, especially ganjas and some sort of stuff. And if you deal with ganjas, you probably need grinders for sure. So grinders actually speed up all the process and offer perks. Like for example, the heat capture. So, well, let's talk about the products that we are introducing today, especially grinders. Well, I'm just going to show you the grinders that we do have today. Okay, so these are the grinders, your authentic, back to basic grinders, especially all that. We do have like 6 types of grinders, like the color painted grinders. Let's see that. You got 4 chambers here. It's patented. You got swirl patterns, piece patterns, positions. You can see the sharp teeth razor here. Probably we do have like 34 to 35 all the razor teeth. Sharp tooth razor. And grinders. And the key captures here now refers to the bottom chamber. That is the key capture. And we do have this one as well. It's come along. It's a scraping tool. So how, when you grind your ganja, and it's going to drop to the bottom right here, key capture. And you can just like scrap all your stuff. Put it in a joint. So basically, we do have like 6 pieces of pack in a pack. These are the grinders, the latest grinders we do have right now. So come with the ODM. Our basic stuff. Razor sharp teeth. The grind is hot. Screw it on. Close it in. And you can see that here. That's a catcher to grind grinders. Top bottom. That is the lowest bottom chamber. So all the potents of the crystal keef is going to drop all here, and you can use a scraper and scrap it up. I'm going to show you all the entire 6 pieces of our the pattern colorful grinders. Size-wise, it's a small size. Show you all that. Well, basically, we are from China, PRC manufacturer, originally. And we do all the grinders by our own manufacturing. On top of it, we do have our own shops, and we do have the paid shop as well on the internet. And you can easily search it. Well, I do introduce you to the second one as well. This is a wooden one. See that? You do have a handle here. It's handle grinders. Same as well, really sharp teeth. Stainless steel material. 4 chambers. Key catcher. And the bottom here, you do have a strappers as well. It's a strapping tools. 4 beautiful chambers. And this size wise, the mid size grinders, it's come along as well, in a whole entire cotton, a 6-pack, 6 pieces in a pack. Entire purely wovens, and the stainless steel and we do have another cute little wooden product, and this is part of the grinders as well. A brand new 4-chamber grinders. While we do ODM available and catch-up. This is going to be a cute tea on the wooden plates grinders. Same as well. The OEMs come with a long 12. The size is going to be the same as well. It's small size. 12 in the pack instead of 6 in the pack. It's completely different compared to this one. But you can see this one's more colorful in comparison. Stainless steel. So we're going to go up the joining right now. Grind it. Scrub it. And fill it in your joint. That's how it looks. So basically, I'm going to show you all the entire 6 pieces of grinders. Top here. This is our 6 pieces of grinders. You can see all the different colors right now. Yeah, this is it. So, well, let me talk about the tips. Tips, and remember, that's a tip for you guys. Remember, always freezing your grinders, so make it harder. So that's going to make it harder for teeth to, stick on the surface. That's how you're going to clean your grinders. Put it in the freezer, make it cold, freeze it, and the teeth won't stick in the surface easily. And on top of it, I would like to say thanks, guys. See you next week. Thanks for watching us. Well, check this out next Wednesday. See you guys.